People come here to unplug the city, unplug their crazy lives that they have. You can feel old souls on the shore, and it's just a cool place to unwind. The tradition of the Island House is we just try to keep it simple and true to the tastes of the Eastern Shore. We've tried hard not to church it up at all and stay true to Eastern Shore recipes that we've been fortunate enough to inherit from some of the locals and people that grew up here. Being able to tap into the abundance of locally sourced food that we can use to entertain our guests and give them a culinary experience unlike where they could get everywhere else is very exciting. The two dishes, both of them came from people who were here in Waterfront. The Oysters Paramore was one of two recipes that I held on to when initially purchasing the restaurant. I wanted to showcase what is so abundantly available here, which oysters and crab are two things that not only pair well together, but they're here. In the Clam Fritters, we were fortunate enough to have Miss Shirley Griffin. She was willing to come down here and teach us the recipe. Recipes on the Eastern Shore can sometimes be hard to come by, and the fact that she was willing to share it with us and allow us to continue that tradition and use her recipe was pretty special. And so when they come here, they'll be experiencing not only a beautiful waterfront, but traditional Eastern Shore fare as best as we can maintain it to give them a true Eastern Shore culinary experience.